Module 9, Audit, Reporting, and Communication of Findings. Course Overview Module 9 centers on audit reporting and the effective communication of findings, a critical stage in the internal audit process. While conducting audits and evaluating controls is essential, the value of internal audits is realized only when findings are communicated clearly, accurately, and constructively to management and the stakeholders. You will explore advanced reporting techniques, frameworks, and communication strategies that ensure audit results translate into actionable improvements, enhanced governance, and strengthened financial control. This module emphasizes the importance of clarity, professionalism, and alignment with organizational objectives in audit reporting. 2. Purpose of audit reporting. Audit reporting serves to inform management and stakeholders about the findings, risks, and control effectiveness, provide a basis for corrective action and risk mitigation, demonstrate compliance with internal policies, regulations, and auditing standards, facilitate decision-making and strategic planning. 3. Key elements of an effective audit report EA, executive summary, concise overview, highlighting audit scope, objectives, key findings, and recommendations, targeted for senior management and the board for quick comprehension. B. Background and audit. Scope provides context on the department, process, or financial area audited, clearly defines objectives, scope, limitations, and methodology used. C. Detailed findings. Each finding should include description of the issue or risk identified, evidence supporting the finding, impact on operations, finances, or compliance categorization, high, medium, low risk. D. Recommendations. Clear, actionable steps to remediate or mitigate identified issues. Prioritize recommendations based on risk severity and resource requirements. E. Management responses include management's feedback, corrective actions, and timelines for implementation. Enhances collaboration and accountability. 4. Types of audit reports. Formal audit reports. Comprehensive, structured reports for management and boards. Executive summaries. High-level highlights for senior leadership. Informal/interim reports. Shared during fieldwork to communicate immediate concerns. Special reports. Focused on particular issues, fraud investigations, or compliance breaches. 5. Principles of effective audit communication. Clarity. Use simple, precise language. Avoid jargon and ambiguity. Objectivity. Ensure findings are factual, unbiased, and evidence-based. Conciseness. Summarize key points while retaining sufficient detail. Constructive tone. Frame findings to promote improvement rather than assign blame. Timeliness. Deliver reports promptly to enable timely corrective action. Audience awareness. Tailor content based on whether the audience is operational staff, management, or board members. 6. Reporting methodology EA. Preparation. Gather all supporting evidence, test results, and control evaluations. Ensure documentation is complete, accurate, and verifiable. B. Drafting structure report according to best practices and organizational templates. Present data clearly using tables, charts, and graphs where appropriate. C. Review internal review for accuracy, completeness, and compliance with auditing standards. Cross-check all findings with evidence and test results. D. Distribution deliver reports to appropriate stakeholders in a secure and confidential manner. Maintain records for future reference, follow-up audits, and compliance verification. 7. Follow-up and monitoring assess management's implementation of recommendations. Perform follow-up audits to verify corrective actions. Update risk registers and control assessments based on findings. Ensure continuous improvement and enhanced control effectiveness. 8. Challenges in audit reporting. Resistance from management or staff to accept findings, misinterpretation of technical or complex findings, delays in reporting or submission of incomplete data, balancing transparency with confidentiality requirements, ensuring consistency in reporting across multiple audits, mitigation, use standardized templates, clear language, and stakeholder engagement throughout the audit process. 9. Emerging trends in audit reporting. Digital reporting platforms, cloud-based tools for real-time reporting and dashboards, data visualization, graphs, charts, and heat maps to communicate complex findings effectively, continuous monitoring reports, automated reporting of key risk indicators, collaborative reporting, platforms that enable management responses and tracking of corrective actions in real time, AI-enhanced analysis, automating anomaly detection and summarizing audit insights. 10. Summary. Module 9 equips you with the ability to communicate audit findings effectively, ensure transparency, and drive actionable improvements. Key takeaways include structuring reports for clarity, accuracy, and impact, integrating findings with risk assessment and internal control evaluations, tailoring communication to management, operational staff, and boards, leveraging technology and visualization to enhance reporting effectiveness, following up to ensure recommendations translate into strengthened governance and financial control. You will develop advanced skills in audit reporting, turning audit activities into strategic tools for organizational improvement.